Here's another delicious recipe from Maggi. For this dish you will need 2 cubes Maggi chicken stock and the following ingredients. Start by cooking 300 grams of chicken breast in 4 cups of water and 2 bay leaves. Meanwhile, to prepare the sauce, sauté 1 small chopped onion and 3 cloves of garlic and 1 tablespoon of melted butter and a tablespoon of olive oil. Add 1 cube Maggi chicken stock for that perfect balance of flavors, 1/4 cup of water, 2 cups of cream, and 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese and cook until smooth. Next, cut the cooked chicken into small pieces. Add 1/2 cup of cream cheese, 1 cup of cottage cheese and 1 egg, then mix together. Dissolve 1 cube Maggi chicken stock in 1/4 cup of hot water and stir into the cheese mixture. And mix in the chopped mushrooms. Pour half of the cream sauce in an oven dish. Fill the pasta with the cheese filling and place over the sauce. Pour the remaining sauce over the pasta. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes until the pasta is cooked and slightly golden on top. This easy-to-prepare dish is sure to please everyone at the dinner table. For details on this recipe and much more, visit the Maggi Arabia Facebook page.